Welcome to the Petting Zoo, a plush toy company where we believe in healthy play and a healthy planet.
Hi, I'm John Lazuski, and welcome to the Petting Zoo.
The Petting Zoo is leading the plush toy industry in protecting the environment by using recycled materials. Over 60 million bottles are discarded every day, ending up in landfills, incinerators, rivers, and oceans. The Petting Zoo decreases this waste and pollution by recycling plastic bottles into our toys. Here's how we do it. First, the bottles are sorted.
Then the bottles are broken down into small pieces and washed. At this point, the bottles have been transformed into a clean, clear material ready for processing.
Hi, I'm Tom Mulvaney from the Petting Zoo Plush. You're joining me now from Anhui Province, China. In one 40-foot container, there's 25 metric tons of these plastic chips. To quantify that in North American terminology, that's roughly 1.25 million 16-ounce plastic bottles in one container. I'll say it again, 1.25 million bottles. That's powerful stuff. This chip is the root origin of every Petting Zoo plush toy. So with this recycled, reconstituted, repurposed, and reimagined plastic, I'm struck with a sense of hope. This is where the real magic happens. In this building, those plastic chips are transformed into plush stuffing and material. I'll walk you through the process. It's really quite remarkable.
The next step of the transformation starts here. This is the extrusion process. Heat and pressure are used to force molten plastic into fine fibers. Think pasta press. The fibers are then cooled and stretched to make them consistent and uniform. Here it is washed, purified, and conditioned.
Okay, stage one is complete, as the chips are fiber ready. So with these 100% recycled bottles, we can make the skins and the stuffing for the plush. Welcome back. Here we are at the Plush Toy Factory. We're ready for stage two, where we turn recycled stuffing and materials into soft, cuddly, handmade toys. Here we are in the cutting workshop. This one does the job with a laser. And this is the cookie cutter approach using heat. And finally, this machine uses hydraulic pressure. This is where we sew the plush together. Before we stuff it, this is where we fluff it. Whoa, rookie mistake. This is how you do it. And now for the final touch.
Final hand stitching on every piece.
And lastly, QC. You ready for a boat ride? You can probably imagine what a great feeling it has been for me today to walk through these wonderful facilities and bear witness to this, dare I say, earth-sustaining process. It kind of tugs at your heartstrings to think of what's going on here every day. Okay, pack it and ship it. Ah!
You made it! Welcome to America! Hey everybody, we're back here in Baltimore, Maryland at our corporate offices and distribution center for the petting zoo. This little darling is nearing the end of her journey to a warm, loving home. I'm so happy to be part of the Petting Zoo Recycling Initiative, especially these days as we're seeing a lot of reports related to the glut of recycled materials that have no place to go in the US or exported abroad. So we feel that the time to act is now. We are putting our best foot forward by engaging in the use of recycled plastic bottles on the broadest level in the plush industry. Now, admittedly, on a global scale, this is a small part, but you know what? It is still a part, and we feel really great about that. In North America, a vast majority of us are doing our part in reusing and recycling. But now the real challenge is to simply and plainly use less plastics, styrofoam, and other materials that are not biodegradable. Some food for thought. So thanks for listening. I can only hope that this story might in some way inspire you to do your part. One easy step that some of us, but many, many more, need to incorporate into our daily lives is to use reusable containers for our beverages, preferably metal containers. What do you think about that, John?
It's a great idea, Tom.
So do your part!